Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Pankaj Sharma and today I will tell you how to give your introduction perfectly.
Okay. Pankaj, so tell me about yourself.
Yes sir, I my name is Pankaj.
So tell me about yourself. Okay, Pankaj. So tell me something about yourself. Hmm. So tell me about Pankaj. Pankaj.
Has it ever happened with you? It happened with me guys. When I was unprepared, I did not know what to speak. I was completely nervous. I was sweating all over because I did not prepare in advance. I went for this interview because one of my friends from college told me that there is an interview going on in a DPU, and I just went like that, unprepared. I thought that I would be able to crack the interview. When I reached in the HR's office, I was very nervous. I did not know what to speak, what to say, and I just ran away from the office. In this video today, I'll teach you how to prepare your introduction and how to give your introduction. So guys, let's start. Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning.
How are you, sir?
I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm also fine, sir.
Okay. Okay, Pankaj. Please take a seat.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. So tell me about yourself, Pankaj.
Of course, sir. My name is Pankaj Sharma and I was born and raised up in Delhi. I'm an English honors graduate with 89% from Delhi University. I did my schooling from Yamuna Vihar Government Senior Secondary School with 89% and 75% in 10th standard. I have also completed a certificate course in Microsoft Office where I developed my PowerPoint skills and Excel skills. I knew that this is a must in any industry. This is an important skill which is required in every industry. During my college days, I got an opportunity to work for an NGO where I had to teach English and soft skills to unprivileged children. This is where I developed interpersonal skills and teamwork skills. I also got a good grasp on soft skills. This organization taught me a lot, like emotional intelligence and problem-solving skills. I learned a lot from this organization and I thank this organization for that. My optimistic attitude and decision-making skills helped me a lot at my college and at my workplace. While working in this NGO, I developed a good habit of reading books. I got to know that all successful persons have this good habit of reading books because you get an experience of 100 years in just few days. Presently, I'm reading a book on finance. With this, I would be able to plan better for my future and handle my finances.
Okay, Pankaj. Well done. Quite impressive.
So guys, did you see how to give your introduction in front of interviewer? You can only do that when you prepare yourself in advance. When you prepare yourself in advance, you know what to speak. You develop confidence. You will be able to face the interviewer easily. You will be able to answer appropriate questions in the interview. It puts a good impression on the HR. Plus, it also helps you to get a job that you're looking for. So it's very important and necessary to prepare yourself in advance for any interview. So guys, if you want to know how to crack BPO interviews, please watch my previous video in which I gave you some wonderful tips how to crack BPO interviews. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Please also press the bell icon. I'll keep making videos like this I would also invite your comments to help me make more videos like this.